Welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today 30th uh, January, and this video is for pre-earning analysis of tomorrow. We have few earning coming in. So right here, uh, Exxon Mobil, UPS, General, GM. We can take a look at the Caterpillar. We can look at the McDonald. We can look at the Spotify. Well, and then AMD, Snap, right? I'll try to make it in 20 minutes, whatever I can cover. Okay, folks. So these are the video. These are the earnings I'm gonna cover. See what the technically looks like. Okay, folks. I'm gonna look more into technical, not into financial fundamentals. Try my best to only technicals. Okay, let's make it. All right. So see what look like. Okay, let's get with the first one. AMD. Let's take a look at the AMD earnings. See what the chart looks like right now. As you can see right here, folks, this is the daily chart right here. So this channel is intact right here, but market is trying to test the channel right here where we are here. If this channel breaks, we could go and we could go and test the 50-day moving average around $70. As you can see right here, we have the gap here around $70. There is a gap to be filled here at $70. So that could be the one. You need to keep it in mind. You know what, I need to get going faster, so I'm not gonna go draw more. Sorry man, I had a lot more to cover, so we're gonna get going faster. Okay, so 50 days moving average, that could be your support. Let's see what happens. If you break, we can go test the 100-day, which is 68 right here. That's the technically right now little weakness, but this is your major sloping support. If that breaks, we could go test down that. And if it bounce, we could go and test the bull side. We have right here $79, $80. That's your 200-day moving average resistance. So that resistance we have tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times early. Fourth time we didn't try. We could go and try if the earning comes out bullish and good news could be good news, then absolutely right here we could go and test that. So the trend is bullish right here. Overall trend has started bullish, but we just got a little rejection. As we all know, if I look at the financials, it look like 67-cent earning per share EPS. If they beat that, which could be less likely, but you never know, right, folks? You never know in this market. Yeah, Intel did miss that, right? As we all know, Intel did miss that. So probably AMD could, as we all know. But I don't want to go into the financial, but look like AMD is right now weakness started, little weakness right here, right? So 3 days right here, little weakness started. That's the AMD. Let's take a look at the next one is Exxon Mobil tomorrow morning, right? Let's look at the Exxon Mobil, sorry, right here. So Exxon Mobil, if you take a look at the upward channel right here, this is bullish channel right there, and look at the TTM squeeze is built in. Absolutely look like a bullish right there. You see that? That's a bullish sign right there. Okay, now squeeze is building in. Okay, so that could be probably you could bounce and we could go higher, folks. Okay, right here, this is looking bullish to me. Super nice, beautiful. Only thing is last 2 days been selling up due to the oil futures. It was down, that's why. But yeah, technically right here, so support is around here. If you take a look at the 30-minute chart, let's go back, look at the smart monies are doing. Okay, so the major smart monies are sitting around at $113. They are agreed this price 113 right here, this area, right, the one right here, this area. All right, so that's the support area. Well, looks like the MACD reversal right here, so looks could be reversal and we could bounce here. That's what it looks to me. This is your support area right here around 112.60. So another $1 down just in case, but has a room to go north, up right here around 100 resistance is around $119.119 right here, this area. Okay, so that's what looks like. Smart monies are right now could move upwards right there. Beautiful upward channel squeeze is building, as I said that in a daily chart. Yeah, look at that beautiful squeeze, man. This could explode. Okay, folks, this looks nice to me. It could be explode, implode. Okay, it could be bad news, good news, but obviously, you know, all companies are making good money, so obviously it could go north direction. All right, so that's that. Then the third one, we look at the UPS. Okay, so before that, folks, right here, this is Top Trading Edge. I'm always live morning 9:30 to 4. Join the community. It's free of charge on YouTube right here. You can type it in one word, Top Trading Edge right here. type it in and join the community free. I share my screen, I do live streaming, right? Trading desk, I share my screens every day. I do trading, and all these videos are right here. These are every day I put market update video, as well as if you subscribe you can get all these market video, as well as I do live stream 7 hours every day right here. Look at that, all these every day I go live 7 hours live streaming. You can join this community, you can watch this one, all the video too. They are recorded on YouTube. All right, so join the community, folks. Absolutely, it's free. You don't need to subscribe, you don't need to pay crazy money on subscriptions and stuff like that. It's free. For example, Lucid breakout we were playing on Friday, like today also market went down a little bit, we were playing that also. So all this video update. All right, so join the community. All right, so that's Exxon. The third one we can look at into is UPS. Let's take a look at the UPS. What does UPS look like? Wow, UPS sloping resistance coming in right here. That's your resistance, folks. 1 2 3 rejection, and then sloping support built in support. Nice, beautiful lineup. We have a 200-day moving average resistance right rejection right there. Now we broke to the 200-day, 50-day also blue line, and then now we are about to test the 100-day moving average purple one right here. So market is testing right now 100 sloping support, folks. If these breaks and 100-day moving average breaks, then we could go lower here, folks. Okay, that's why. Okay, that's the target. If the lower side, okay, if earning miss out, something like that, right? That's area. And if earning comes out good and market look, then we have the target area is 181 area right here. So currently is 176 price right there. Right, so this is the north direction, this is south direction. The wedge breaks, we could go down 172. If this earning comes out good and market maker good news become good news, then absolutely the resistance is 200-day moving average. We need to break that. So we are at the this is a critical zone right here, where all the SMA is right there, plus the sloping resistance plus support, everything is jumbled up around here, folks. So this is like do or die situation. Okay, that's what the UPS look like. So no man land zone, I would say, situation like that. All right, but hey, bull side is right here, bear side is right here, to watch out on UPS. All right, that's UPS. Let's look at the GM, see what the GM look like. General Motor earning coming in. GM look like, folks, nice sloping support built in sloping resistance right here, and we are everything is jumbled up and squeezing right there, but I don't see any squeeze coming in. Okay, we are in the oscillator 0. What does it mean? Means is we have weakness. We are below the 200-day, below 50-day, below 100-day moving average. So market got a weakness right here on a GM. Right, so where GM could go, GM has a support area right here. That's the target. GM got a weakness. This is your main support area to watch out right here. Okay, 36. All right, that's what GM got a little weakness for double top right there, and oscillator in days. Other than that, let's take a look at it. Bull scenario, folks. Right here we got a bunch of around $37. So that is a tough. Okay, $37 to cross in order to go north. $37 to cross in order to go north. Okay, and that's GM. Then the major resistance is right here around $38, and then over here 37, 38. These are the area to watch. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's GM. Let's take a look at the GM. Caterpillar. Let's look at the Caterpillar. Wow, look at that, bullish right there, beautiful right there, beautiful trend, upper constant grinding higher. Look at that trend. This is parabolic move, folks. Anything is super duper parabolic move, constant up, that's bullish. To change the trend, you gotta be careful. Okay, I noticed something, folks. Okay, what did I notice? There is a divergence going on since about few months. Look at that, few months divergence going on. Watch out on this is weakness. Market is going up. Market say I'm tired, we want to go and down. So be careful over for, but if I look at the financial, Man, this is undervalued. That's the reason the stock is keep going up and up right here. That's why. So market, no weakness overall. We are still, MACD is in a bull territory. Volume is, the bids are coming in. Sloping support is intact. So 90% everything is bullish, right? But early divergence means market technically little pullbacks kind of things look like technically, okay? But earning could beat, definitely could beat, and we could go higher also, folks, okay? That can be possible, okay? So 90% technically looks super duper bullish on this because it's just a parabolic move, but over here is undervalued. Absolutely. EPS, if they beat the EPS, it looks undervalued. Right, so that's what it looks like. Then let's take a look at the McDonald. MC. What's the McDonald symbol, folks? MCD right here. Okay, so McDonald is okay. McDonald looking bullish, man. Okay, right there, 268. So McDonald is fully priced in right now. Okay, so let's see. This is sloping resistance built in here. This is your bull flag right here. Look at the bull flag right here. Okay, so 268, 245. McDonald could beat. This is the bull flag. If the McDonald wants to go, this is, we could go to 281 just in case if market wants to fly high. This is a bull flag setup. We are about the 50-day, we are about 100 days, so it's a bullish. Only thing, we got a rejection right here. If the market has a little weakness, it could go down. The squeeze is built in, solid built in. Something is cooking underneath, folks. McDonald, something is cooking. It could explode, okay? The squeeze is built in. What does it mean? Look like bullish to me. Yep, it wants to go right there. Right there. Yep, absolutely. Target is there, but if it is really horrible earning comes out, we could go and test the 261. Okay, that's what it looks like. And but TTM squeeze is telling me that something is cooking underneath, so watch out, folks. Both direction right here. Okay, now that's the McDonald. Spotify. Let's take a look at Spotify. Spotify is, let me see. Spotify, we are overall bullish because it's oversold right now, market, but doesn't have the power. This stock doesn't have the power. Let me look at why not power. We are above the 200 days, so that's the bullish, but doesn't have the buyers. 90. Oh yeah, no wonder financial fundamentals are weak. Look at that. So they could easily beat this negative $1.36 EPS. I would not pay this stock $50, even $30. I would not pay. But hey, company is losing money every quarter by quarter. If you look at their financials, it's horrible, looks to me. Quarterly, look at the netting. Oh, company is losing drastic money quarter by quarter. So negative EPS, EBITDA is negative too. Right there. Yep, it's a negative. So just because it's oversold, folks, 2022 market maker, they have to do a tax sale loss and probably recover. So right now all the tech stocks are basically, it's little bullish, so that could be the reason. But yeah, absolutely, they could beat this earning because it's super negative earning EPS. What else you want? $1.36 and negative EPS. So it's a loss making company, so they could beat. I don't know, maybe the revenue, got to take a look at it. But support is here at $297. Once we break that, this could go to lower, $86. So it could go lower, folks. Okay, this could go lower. There is nothing left here. There is no juice left here. Any investor to jump in this bandwagon, it will be difficult. All right, that's that. Spotify. That's Spotify. Okay, let's go to AMD. Did I look at AMD? Okay, so AMD we looked into already. So now let's look at the Snap. Snap looking nice, bullish. Look at this, nice sloping support, beautiful. It's been constantly heavily oversold. 22-cent EPS over here. They're expecting here 10-cent, man. I think that's dangerous, folks. So okay, so if if the market, you know, beats the EPS, probably they could go here around $12, folks, right? Because it look like snap looking to bullish here. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, a lot of monies are coming in here, so there must be reason, somebody knows something. But for me, I would not pay. Why? Because the EPS is expected 10 cents. If they beat, absolutely. If they beat, folks, these could break and we could go higher, 200 moving average, which would be this right here. Okay, if they beat, but if they miss, then we could go and test the $10 right here. Support is $10, right? So if they beat right here, if they miss, we go to $10. All right, that's what the snap looks like. Let's see next. Yeah, next, let's take a look at the last one, Nvidia. Nvidia has been constantly going up, folks. Last, this is the higher low. Yep, right there. So Nvidia looking like a was super bullish right here. The trend is intact. Still trend is intact, folks. Okay, so Nvidia still bullish. MACD in a bull territory. Only thing it's, if this Nvidia breaks the trend line, folks, this trend line broken, then the supply starts. Okay, that's what you need to watch about it. Okay, so that's important area to watch. The supply, once this is support 186 to watch right here. 186, once the market breaks 186, we could go lower. Until then, it's still bullish. I think Nvidia could waiting for the AMD earning. So AMD earning will tell what the Nvidia looks like. Okay, but if you ask me, EPS 58 cents. Nvidia earning coming in 58.81. Wow, so Nvidia is super duper overvalued right now. Oh, super overvalued right now. So, but hey, you know what? So people, there are a lot of investors. They try to invest money into the company. They thought, okay, there's a tax sale happened in last year, right? They got the money, now they put it in the money. So there's many people try to put in money into the semiconductor, which is Nvidia, AMD, whichever company people like, TSM, right? So that's why the stock was going up right here too lately. You see that? Anyway, so that's what the Nvidia look like, folks. The bull scenario is we got a rejection here at the 197. Once we break that, we could go higher, which is 224. But it's still over value, folks. This is super duper over value. Based of last earning, if you look at it, is 58 cents. If you multiply by 58, say 60 right here. 60 multiplied by 4 comes out $2.40. $2.40, 191 divided by $2.40 comes out 80 times PE ratio, folks. Almost 80 times PE ratio based off of these 60 cent EPS. Okay. So that's outrageous right now. Value is all right. This is Tesla is 34 times, right? AMD is 18 times. So AMD is way cheaper than the Nvidia. But anyway, so I would be a little careful here, folks. All right. So watch out, and I'll be, please join the live community, folks. I'm always live here Monday to Friday every day. You can click on lives, and every day 9:30 I start my streaming. You can join free. And you can ask of your charts, whichever chart you'll want me to analyze. I can take a look at it, but I cannot give a financial advice. Disclaimer strong. All right. So join the community. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 9:30. Thank you.